Ever wondered how to make San Francisco-style Vietnamese American garlic noodles at home? Well, today is your lucky day. We're diving into a recipe that brings together the best of Vietnamese and American flavors, right in your kitchen. First things first, gather all your ingredients. You'll need thin egg noodles or spaghetti, unsalted butter, minced garlic, oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, sugar, black pepper, and some green onions and cilantro for garnish. If you're feeling adventurous, consider adding grilled shrimp, chicken, tofu, or vegetables like broccoli or bok choy. Start by cooking your choice of noodles according to the package instructions. Once cooked, drain them and set aside. While your noodles are boiling away, prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, mix together oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, sugar, and black pepper. Now it's time to bring out the star of the show, garlic. In a large pan or wok, melt the butter over medium heat. Add in the minced garlic and sauté it for a minute or two until it's fragrant. But beware, garlic can burn easily, so keep a close eye on it. Next, pour your prepared sauce into the pan with the garlic. Give it a good stir to make sure everything is combined well. Now toss in the cooked noodles into the pan. Make sure they get well coated in the garlic and sauce mixture. Continue cooking for an additional 2 to 3 minutes to heat the noodles through. At this point, if you're using any add-ins, it's time to toss them in and cook until they're heated through. And there you have it, San Francisco-style Vietnamese American garlic noodles. But wait, we're not done yet. Garnish the noodles with chopped green onions and cilantro before serving. This dish is a delightful fusion of flavors, known for its savory, umami-rich flavor from the oyster sauce, soy sauce, and fish sauce. The buttery garlic noodles make a fantastic base for various protein and vegetable add-ons. Feel free to customize it to your liking. So there you have it. A simple yet sophisticated recipe that brings a taste of San Francisco's Vietnamese American cuisine to your table. Enjoy this delicious dish hot and flavorful, just like the city that inspired it.